Castor oil for your face. Castor oil is often referred to as nature's Botox. Today, I'll explain why you should consider adding this oil to your skincare routine, how to use it to maximize its effectiveness, and its surprising benefits for your lips and eyelashes. Additionally, I'll address some concerns about its effects around the eyes, including fat pad loss, and its use for dry eyes. Castor oil is a vegetable oil derived from the seeds of the castor oil plant, Ricinus communis. This plant is mainly grown in Africa, South America, and India, with India being the leading producer due to its favorable climate. The oil is extracted through pressing or solvent extraction. And how it's extracted is key to its effectiveness. Always look for cold-pressed, pure, organic castor oil to ensure the best results. Nature's Botox. Benefits of castor oil for skin: preventing wrinkles. Castor oil contains antioxidants that fight free radicals, which are responsible for accelerating the aging process and causing wrinkles. Fighting acne. Despite its thick consistency, castor oil has antibacterial properties that help prevent acne by reducing bacteria that can clog pores. It doesn't clog pores and can improve skin condition, reducing puffiness. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce swelling and puffiness, and some even claim it can remove skin tags and warts. Moisturizing. Castor oil is an excellent emollient, keeping skin hydrated, plump, and smooth. It can make your skin look shiny and healthy, akin to the effects of Botox. Soothing sunburn. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, castor oil can ease the pain of sunburn and reduce peeling. Castor oil for lips. Castor oil is an excellent remedy for dry lips and is commonly used in lipsticks and glosses. For best results, mix it with a better-tasting oil like coconut oil. It's particularly effective in dry, cold climates, providing deep moisture and protection. For facial use, the best castor oil is 100% pure, organic, cold-pressed, extra virgin, chemical or hexane-free. How to use castor oil on your face. Mix with a carrier oil. Castor oil is thick, so start by mixing it with a carrier oil like coconut, almond, or olive oil. You can also add it to shea butter for extra moisturizing. Apply before bed. After cleansing your skin, apply the mixture to your face. You can either leave it on overnight or wipe it off with a warm cloth after a few minutes. For best results, use it in combination with a light vitamin C or hyaluronic acid serum. Storage. Keep castor oil out of direct sunlight to prevent degradation. Store it in a tinted container to protect it from UV rays. Castor oil for eyelashes and brows. While there's no hard evidence that castor oil makes eyelashes and brows grow, there is anecdotal evidence and some studies suggesting that ricinoleic acid in castor oil may help reverse hair loss. Patch test. Before using castor oil on your eyelashes, test it on a small skin area to ensure you're not sensitive to it. Clean lashes. Make sure your eyelashes are clean and free of makeup. Apply with precision. Use a small brush or cotton swab to apply the oil, avoiding contact with your eyes. Using a thin applicator can help prevent irritation. Rinse off. Wash off the castor oil in the morning with water or a gentle makeup remover. Castor oil is not meant to be used directly in the eyes as it's not sterile. However, there are sterile eye drops containing castor oil designed for dry eyes. Using castor oil on your lashes may result in some oil getting into your eyes, which can help with dry eyes. But always ensure to use products designed for ocular use for safety. Castor oil is a versatile and powerful natural product with numerous benefits for the skin, lips, and potentially eyelashes and brows. By following the proper steps and precautions, you can incorporate it into your skincare routine to enjoy its full benefits. Stay beautiful, healthy, and vibrant.